Discoverers
and Wanderers!
It's Nico
And John!
For today's video, samahan niyo kaming mag-ikot-ikot dito sa
Lower Manhattan,
where we'll discover and wander around Wall Street and the 9/11 Memorial.
Ready na ba kayo, Wanderers? Let's go!
1, 2, 3, 4!
Welcome to Wall Street, Wanderers. It is known for being the heartbeat of New York's financial district and said to be the power center of the financial world. Alam niyo ba, Wanderers, that aside from its physical boundaries, Wall Street is also a state of mind, since people often use the term when referring to the stock markets and trading activity in general? Alam niyo din ba, Wanderers, that the street's name refers to a long-gone wall that was erected in the 17th century? It was built by the Dutch settlers and its intention is to keep out the British and the pirates from their side of the wall. Dun pala nanggaling yung term na Wall Street, Wanderers. And the wall actually existed on the street of Lower Manhattan from 1653 to 1699.
Did you know that the New York Stock Exchange is the leading stock exchange in the world, trading approximately 1.46 billion shares each day for some 2,800 companies, ranging from blue chips to new high-growth companies?
And while wandering around Wall Street, we came across this Federal Hall. Isa siya sa mga museums dito sa Lower Manhattan that is free of charge and open for public. Kaya naman hindi namin pinalagpas at pumasok kami, Wanderers. Alam niyo ba that the Federal Hall is the first city hall of New York City? It was built in 1842 and it is considered as a landmark where America officially began. Alam niyo ba, Wanderers, on April 30th, 1789, New Yorkers gathered at the intersection of Wall and Broad Streets to witness George Washington being sworn in as the first President of the United States of America. At nangyari yun lahat dito sa Federal Hall. And today, it serves as a museum that features items related to George Washington's inauguration, the Bill of Rights, and Old Federal Hall. And Wanderers, if you want to visit this Federal Hall Museum, it is located in 26 Wall Street, New York City. Kapag nandito kayo sa Wall Street, I'm sure hindi nyo siya mamimiss. Kaya naman, Discoverers and Wanderers, if you love history, Federal Hall Museum is one of the top museums that is highly recommended for you to visit. Akala ko talaga, Wanderers, dadaan lang kami dito sa Wall Street. But as we wander around it, marami kaming natutunan regarding the New York's financial district and of course, a little bit of history. And pagkatapos nga ng educational field trip namin dito sa Wall Street, may dadaanan sana kaming malaking mall. We heard kasi na mura dito yung mga luxury items. But unfortunately, it's still closed, kaya tumuloy na lang kami sa susunod naming agenda.
Few inches later.
Oo nga pala, before we left Wall Street, dinaanan namin tong Charging Bull, or sometimes referred to as the Bull of Wall Street. And a visit to Wall Street will not be complete without a photo with this bronze bull. And sabi nila, Wanderers, that it's lucky daw to touch the bronze balls of the bull. Kaya naman nakigaya na tayo! This Charging Bull is a popular tourist destination that draws thousands of people a day. And I kid you not, Wanderers, halos lahat sila may picture na kagaya ng samin. Anyway, Wanderers, did you know that the 7,100-pound bronze sculpture standing 11 feet tall and measuring 16 feet long is a symbol of financial optimism and prosperity? Kaya naman pala it's considered lucky at dinudumog ng mga turista. At isa na tayo sa mga turista na yon, Wanderers. And after our experience dito sa Wall Street, off to our next adventure! A few minutes away from Wall Street is the 9/11 Memorial. Since nandito na kami sa New York City, we decided to visit and pay respect to the victims of the 9/11 bombing. Did you know, Wanderers, that the 9/11 Memorial is a tribute of remembrance, honoring the 2,977 people killed in the attack? September 11, 2001 is a very sad day for New York City. And paying a visit to this place is our own little way of showing our sympathy to the people of New York City. Grabe, Wanderers, ibang-iba yung pakiramdam habang papalapit ako dito sa waterfalls. It was sad and heavy. Nico and I were still young nung nangyari yon. And even though we are not related in any of the victims, we felt the pain of the people of New York City. Meron din palang underground museum dito, Wanderers. But since we got here late in the afternoon, hindi na kami nakapasok kasi it's open from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. only. Kaya dito na lang kami nag-ikot-ikot sa labas. Yan palang nakikita nyo, Wanderers, are two rectangular reflective pools where the Twin Towers once stood. It measures close to an acre each and 45 feet in depth. This pool serves as the base of North America's largest man-made waterfalls. Ang galing, no, Wanderers? Our visit here in the 9/11 Memorial was truly unforgettable. A well-spent afternoon indeed. Wanderers, if ever you will be visiting New York City, don't forget to put 9/11 Memorial as part of your itinerary, ha? And before we head home, may nadaanan pala kaming something interesting, Wanderers. This, Wanderers, is a calorie pear tree and it is called the Survivor Tree. Alam nyo ba, Wanderers, na siya yung nag-iisang puno na nakasurvive ng bombing? And it has become a symbol of hope and rebirth. And this tree serves as a reminder of the thousands of survivors who persevered after the attacks. Nung pauwi na kami, dito kami sumakay sa station sa loob ng Oculus. Yan yon, Wanderers, yung nakikita nyong bird-like structure. Did you know that the Oculus is home to 12 subway lines, the World Trade Center PAT station, and dozens of retailers serving over 1 million people every week? Meron din palang mga shops and restaurants sa loob nito, Wanderers. Kaya bago kami umuwi, nag-ikot-ikot muna kami dito. New York City has a very rich history. And we learned so much today. Parang every day is a different experience. Kaya samahan nyo kami as we wander around New York City and discover more of it. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching.
And kung nag-enjoy kayo,
Please do subscribe to our channel
give us a thumbs up
and hit that bell for more of our adventures
and misadventures as we discover
and wonder New York City!